grass fire po natin, simulan natin ng 2023, no? Grass fires and forest fires. In 2023, we recorded 82 forest fires and grass fires. In 2024, we recorded 41 grass fires and forest fires. And this last 2025, we recorded 8 forest fires and grass fires. Thank you po sa lahat. Ano po yan? Concerted effort po yun ng lahat. Not only PNP effort, not only the task force Ilocos Norte, pero grabe po yung effort ng province natin. We thank our governor, vice governor, of course, our BDRRM, the DENR, at saka yung mga man behind the forest fire operations and even the preventions, yung different members po ng ating task force Ilocos Norte Firefighting. Nandiyan yung PNP, the Marines, the Army, of course, the DFP, the DENR, our LGUs, the DRRMs, mga bros, kahit yung mga barangay officials doon sa may mga recorded fire incidents, we involved them already. So, makita natin yung pagbaba po talaga ng incidents, related incidents, because of that concerted effort. And we are praying po and doing our best na we will maintain yung ganong effort para tuloy-tuloy po yung pagbaba. Tsaka hindi pala imposible na pwedeng zero eh. Kung na-zero natin yung firecracker related, pwede natin i-zero yung forest fire and grass fires dito sa Ilocos Norte with the help of everybody. Thank you.